and welcome to A's Linguistics. This channel is about all things linguistic. So let's see what we've got today. Linguist or not, you might hear or you might even ask yourself the question, how do we create words? The different ways with which we create words are technically referred to as word formation processes. I've already done 2 videos on word formation processes, the first being derivational morphemes, the second being compounding, and today I'm doing a 3rd video on the topic, which is conversion. Conversion as a word formation process. That's the topic of today's video. Conversion is probably the easiest ever of all word formation processes, because conversion, also referred to as zero derivation, is a word formation process in which a word is assigned a change in syntactic category without any change in form. So basically, in conversion or zero derivation, you don't change anything. All you do is say this word, which up until now was a noun, can be used from now on also as a verb. That's what you do in conversion. For example, the word ink is a noun. At some point, speakers of English decided that it can also be used as a verb. The 2 parties have inked a deal. Ink means to make a document, etc., legal by writing your signature on it. So, for example, the word call underwent the same process. It became a noun. You say, oh, that was a quick call. Call me. Verb. That was a quick call. Noun. How about total? Total is, of course, an adjective. But can you imagine total has also become a verb? That was a total disaster. That's an adjective. Total is also used as a noun, of course. For example, but if I say, what's the total? But if I say, a total of 14 discussions were held on the topic. This is a noun. But we can go further than that. So we can say the loss totaled $5,000 this week. This is a verb. So what is the language of this? You can say total, the verb, has been formed through the process of zero derivation from total, the adjective. Total, the verb, or total, the noun, it applies to both. Or call, the noun, has been through the morphological process of conversion from the verb call. The same applies to ink. The verb ink has been derived through zero derivation or through conversion. Thanks for your time and attention, and see you again soon.